Welcome to my YouTube. Today we're going to be reviewing this wig from Larhali wig / Ucrown hair on Amazon. They sent me a 4x4 closure wig. The hair is a deep wave and it's 20 inches and it's also 150% density. So this is the packaging, and they gave me some wig caps. Now I won't be able to use those because they don't match my skin tone. And then they gave me this thank you card. They got their little gifts on there and their information. Next, they gave me this makeup kit with, just your basic little makeup brushes and things like that, and then this blue headband. Y'all, I'm gonna get into this headband because I needed me one. It was cute. And so this is the wig. It came in this little plastic bag. I know y'all see those waves on swim, so they hate on them. Like, don't play. That's my first time opening the wig and actually seeing what it looked like. It didn't have any type of smell to it, no processed smell or anything like that. The waves, like I said, are just really nice. Like, it really was giving what it's supposed to give. I ran my hand through it a few times and I wasn't getting any type of shedding. And then this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with 4 combs, one at the bottom, one at the top, and then your 2 clips on the side. And then the closure was actually pretty thin. It was not pre-plucked or anything, but it definitely was not a thick hairline, so it's pretty decent when plucking. I did all my plucking off camera, so you won't be able to see that. But yeah, this is the natural curls, no combing, no washing, no nothing. This is straight out the package. The direct hair link will be left in the description box below. Alright, so here I go, my little ball cap on, little bald head. And like I said, I plucked off camera. So now I'm using this lace tint and the color warm brown. I really didn't feel like dyeing or bleaching the knots today, so I just decided to try this for the first time. So y'all gonna see later on in the video that I made a mistake because I did not let this air dry, or I did not dry it with my blow dryer before putting it on my head. So I was not able to properly stick the closure onto my head. Okay, so I cut the lace and now I'm just fitting it on my head to see how it looks and what I have to adjust and if it really just matched with my skin tone. And I really think it matched pretty well. What do you think? Yep, see, I got some of that residue because I didn't let it dry on my head. Now I'm just gluing with some got-to-be glue and letting it set. This is the part where I realized my closure did not glue down. So I basically had to start back over, wipe my head, and just glue again. But it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do so it can look right. Okay? So you can get right. Okay, so now I'm just wrapping it so that it can set, and I'll be back. So now I'm about to cut the lace using these wig scissors I got in a wig making kit a while ago. And y'all, these are just so convenient. They cut the lace so easily, and they're small, so it can cut as close as possible without cutting the skin. Okay, I know y'all see this lace. I know y'all see it. Like, I need y'all to get into it. Get into it. Okay? Get into it. So now I'm going in and cutting my baby hairs. I don't like to cut a lot of baby hairs when I'm wearing a wig, because I just don't like a lot of baby hairs with a wig. I wear baby hairs when I do my hair, my natural hair, but I don't like them when I'm doing my wig. I just need a little something, so you know it's there, so it can give a little bit. So now I'm setting that, and I had my wrap on for about 5-10 minutes. I just think that's all you need to get them little edges set so they don't go nowhere all day. Had them sticking to your head. Somebody try and yank off your wig, they ain't gonna yank off them edges though. So now I'm just going in and doing my part. You'll see that I didn't use tweezers, particularly when using my part. I just find it a little easier for me to grab little pieces and sections of the part and just kind of pull them out. So now I'm finna comb it out so y'all can see the wig combed out. I was not getting any tangles at all, y'all. Like, this comb was literally gliding through the wig. And I know y'all see that thickness, that fullness to this wig, and I love thick hair. And for this to be a 150% density wig, it was giving what it's supposed to give. It knew its assignment. It knew it. So like I said, I wasn't getting too much shedding. And it was just really soft and very flowy. So y'all know I just had to do this little slow-mo for y'all just to see, because I was feeling it. I was feeling it, like, y'all, it just was so soft, and I was just very satisfied. So I don't know what happened in this next clip, but basically the quality is just terrible. So I just sped it up real fast to show me basically just styling the hair. I use water, oil, and curling cream. And this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love how the curls turned out in this wig. This seems to be a very low maintenance and beginner friendly wig. Honestly, all I needed was the water and the oil. I didn't even need the curling cream because the hair turned out so soft with just the water. If you guys want to see an update 1, 2, 3 months, just put it in the comment section below, and I will also be leaving the link down below to the hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.